Legend isn't born overnight. It's engineered through relentless obsession. People once called it madness. But to us, it's the unwavering spirit of MSI Lightning. Buckle up. We're rewinding through history. Whoa, maybe not that far. Let's roll forward to where everything changed. The first Lightning didn't just launch. It crashed into the graphics card world, redefining cooling from day one. That's when Twin Frozer made its mark. Play hard, stay silent. But Lightning never stopped there. Performance and silence demanded more. GPU Reactor became its iron heart. 2 fans not enough? Why not 3? Madness shaped our engineering, and bold design shaped our identity. RGB lighting turned hardware into something unforgettable. Then came another first. Carbon fiber meets OLED. And still, the legend kept evolving. Breaking limits became routine. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the new MSI GeForce RTX 5090 Lightning Z. A masterpiece forged from every generation before it. Cooling, perfected. Silence, mastered. Performance, pushed beyond limits. Born from thunder, forged in light. This isn't just a graphics card. It's belief made tangible. Madness? No, this is faith. A legacy reborn. A throne reclaimed. MSI Lightning, ready to reign the skies of gaming. Built to be perfect.